So I asked ChatGPT, what's the worst things that can happen to your website? And here's the top 8. So the first one is hacking or data breach, and then we have server downtime or crashes, SEO penalties, ransomware attack, data loss without backup, DDoS attack, malware infection, and finally legal action or copyright violations. As you can see, out of 8 here, 7 of them are closely related to security issues. So today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to protect your website against all sorts of threats. And the best news is that you can get started for free. Let me show you. And for this, we are going to use Malcare. So Malcare is a WordPress security for high-performance websites, and once it is installed on your website, well, it will keep your site secure without slowing it down, and you get automatic malware scan, one-click malware removal, and real-time firewall for complete security of your website. Now, the best news, like I said, you can start completely for free, no credit card required, and there's also a premium version that you can purchase if you wanted to, as you can see, starting at $149 per year, up to $499, depending on the amount of features that you want, obviously. So today, this is the one that we're going to use, the Plus version at $149 per year, and I know what you're thinking, $149 per year, that's quite expensive, isn't it? Well, don't worry. We'll come back to that towards the end of the video. Well, if you use the link in the description below, it will give you access to a 20% discount. So instead of $149, now you can get the Plus version for only $119. Now let me show you something scary. No, not that. Something scary related to our website, obviously. So this is a test website that we have. So from the front end, you would think this is a normal website. Nothing wrong with it. You can use it as normal. But the fact of the matter is that website is actually infected, and you will only know if you install Malcare on your website. So for this, let me show you from the back end. So I'm just going to log in here in the back end as an admin. So let's log in together. So welcome to your WordPress dashboard. So like I said, your website is running absolutely normally. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. But check this out, okay? So we go to the plugin section, install plugin. As you can see, we don't have Malcare installed at the moment. So when Malcare is not installed, well, you would think that your website is running properly. There is no issue with it. Now, let's install the plugin together, okay? So add new plugin. And like I said, with Malcare, you can start for free. So let's look for Malcare here. Very good. So this is the one here. So install now and then activate. And now to get started, all you have to do is to enter your email address to register with them. So I'm just going to use david.guerra@gmail.com, agree with the terms of service, and then submit. Very good. And as you can see, immediately it's going to start scanning your website. So there are different layers, as you can see, ozone layer, cortex layer, carbon layer. They will scan different types of threats and infections possible on your website. As you can see, it is running already. And all we have to do is to patiently wait until we get the results. And here's the result. As you can see, our website has been hacked and it requires immediate attention. So if you scroll down the page, you'll have the details here. So what happened exactly? Well, they found one malicious script in the system, basically, okay? So now if you click on this, view details, it's going to bring you down the page and you have further information related to that hack and what happened to your website. And as you can see clearly, your website has been compromised. So there's one hacked script here in total, okay? So what's the next course of action? Well, it's very simple. As you can see, you have a button here, clean all malware. All you have to do is click on this. Very good. As you can see, your pre-cleanup check. So this is running at the moment. Very good. As you can see, there's 4 steps we need to follow. So you can click continue now. And here you can see the percentage completion. So it shouldn't take too long normally. There you go. As you can see, this is done already. Now it is cleaning up the database. Excellent. So as you can see, the site was cleaned successfully. So all is done and dusted. And you can even check the report if you wanted to. And if you scroll down, as you can see, this is the database actions that were taken. So this was a script that was injected in our database, which is now deleted, obviously. And our website is clean. So there are a few actions to take. Now, as you can see, we need to request Google to re-index our site, because it can happen that Google has penalized your website due to the malware injection. So if you need help, all you have to do is click on this link and follow all the steps. Okay, so back to the pricing now. As we said, $149 per year to clean your website and have it secure. So is that expensive or not? Well, not really actually. So let's compare this with two of their main competitors. So the first one is WordPress. As you can see, WordPress Premium is only $119, but let me show you something that's very important here. Let's scroll down the page and let's have a look at those features. As you can see, for that price, what do you get? All you get is basically WordPress malware scanner, real-time IP blocking, and country blocking. So these are the only options available. Now, a big feature that's missing here is database cleaning. So what we did here, basically, the one we had was actually hidden in our database. Remember this? This was hidden in the database, and that is something that WordPress doesn't offer. They don't have database cleaning feature. So big letdown for this. Even though the price is slightly cheaper, you will not clean your website with the type of malware that we had. And then security, when it comes to pricing, they start at $199. As you can see, this is for one website and unlimited removals. Now, here's the thing with them. They don't have a software that cleans up your website automatically. What you need to do is basically fill out a form, and they're going to fix your website within 30 hours. As you can see here, ticket response time is an estimate, and resolution time may vary based on complexity and volume of tickets and RQ. So it could be even more than 30 hours. Who's got time to wait for this? To be honest, this is a bit pointless. So there you go, guys. If you want to protect your website against potential threats, you can use Malcare, either the free or the pro version. And as always, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.